It's Chris Hansen. It's about 10 to 4 right now, a.m. in the morning. Um, they've been pile driving. I mean, just I can feel it physically sink down in my brain. These blasphemies of the Holy Spirit, and it's voice to skull from over by the Honolulu airport, the towers over there. And then just MF and blah blah blah, just all types of just foul stuff about the Lord, all types of just almost like The Exorcist or something with Linda Blair, where she was just saying all types of foul stuff against God and everything. That's what they're doing through my brain with these radio microwaves. That's all I hear in my head from the focus sound coming from over by the Honolulu airport. They're doing this right now for hours now. Man, these freaking radio waves, man, just disrupted my whole natural brain wave. Just so many radio waves in my head right now. I cannot even fucking think, This stinking terrorist government and their war project and their war crimes against humanity, committing terrorism on Hawaii and attacking their own civilians with these microwaves. This is a record of it again.